Stage 5 of the 2012 USA Pro Challenge took place on Friday as cyclists rode 118 miles from Breckenridge to Colorado Springs. Garmin-Sharp rider Tyler Farrah, a 2011 Tour de France stage winner, prevailed in the final sprint and came in with a time of 3 hours 58 minutes and 27 seconds. It was his second stage victory of this race after taking the opener on Monday. The week-long event continues on Saturday with a 102-mile stage that includes the final 2 climbs of the 7-stage race. The race will end on Sunday with a 9.5-mile time trial in Denver.